Wind gusts were strong enough to tip trucks today.
9 News reporter Rhea Jaw is at a truck stop in Wheat Ridge after talking with people who experienced those winds firsthand.
Yeah, we're at a truck stop that's closest to the road closure on 93, and right now the wind is going a little bit. Compared to earlier, though, my hair was going everywhere. It was a sandstorm. I could barely open my eyes. And CDOT says gusts that strong, the only option for them was to close the roads.
You've always got things you're fighting, things you're dealing with.
Truck drivers like James Dean are used to dealing with whatever the road throws at them.
When you got gusts of this level, it can be extra tedious.
Victor Stevanov said he was getting more thrown at him than he'd like.
There are many baskets on the road, many trash on the road.
The gusts that just took Victor's hat were the same ones he was worried about taking his whole truck.
700 miles today. It was very slowly, very, because wind was like crazy.
We're seeing gusts up to 60 miles per hour or more.
Because of conditions like these, Stacia Sellers with CDOT said they shut down 4 Front Range roadways.
As things can sway into another lane, there's a higher chance of rollover crashes as well. So really these closures are in place for the safety of the public.
You have to pay attention on the road every second because every push of the wind can do something wrong with you.
And you just kind of do this the whole time. That's about what it's like in a truck, except sometimes when a real hard gust, you'll be like, okay, thanks, I didn't need that.
He's one of many at the Wheat Ridge truck stop delayed because of the wind.
So I have to wait to do my delivery until in the morning.
If there's a road closed due to high winds, there's not going to be a viable detour. It's usually just parking, waiting it out, or turning around.
And with another round of high winds expected Friday, these drivers will be watching the wind as closely as the road ahead.
It's fun. I don't really mean that.
All of CDOT's road closures are still in effect, and for drivers wanting the latest and updated information, they can go to cotrip.org. Reporting live in Wheat Ridge, Rhea Jaw, 9 News.